Hello my dear students, welcome to economics classes for 11th standard. Today we are going to start our chapter number 9, which is name is revenue. It is a very short chapter, so we will try to complete in 2 lectures. This is our lecture number 1. Let's start the video with your Jerry sir.
So our new chapter is revenue. Now what is revenue? What is the meaning of revenue? In the words of Dule, he's a economist who has given the definition of revenue as the revenue of a firm. If you have to find the revenue of a firm, so what is the revenue of a firm? Is its sale receipts, or we can say money receipts from the sale of a product. It means after selling a product, how much money I am getting, that is my revenue. If this pen we can take, this is a product, a firm has made this product. Now after selling this pen, the firm is getting 10 rupees. So 10 rupees is what? It's revenue. What is the 10 rupee? 10 rupee is its revenue. It means sale receipt. After selling a product, what you are getting in receipt, that is called what? Your revenue, or we can say money receipt. How much money you are receiving after selling a product, that is called your revenue or the revenue of the firm. It is also called sale proceed. This is the other name of revenue, and this question can come in 1 marks also. What is the other name of revenue? We can say sale proceeds. In other words, we can say that revenue refers to the amount received by the firm from the sale of the given quantity of a commodity in the market. Now the firm is not going to make only one product. Na? Firm is going to make what? Bulk product, like that they can make 100 quantities of this pen. Not only one quantity. This is what? Link pen. And for this link pen they have made how much? 100 quantities. 100 units they have made. And now and each unit how much cost? See, quantity into price. Then only what comes? Revenue we can say, na? Total revenue, TR. So see, quantity how much? 100. What is the price of one pen? That is 10 rupees. So how much come? Rupees 1000. It is what? My total revenue. It means total revenue of the firm. How much money is going to receive by the firm after selling this 100 quantity of pen? 1000 rupees. So this 1000 rupees is what? Total revenue, which in short we can say TR. I hope it is clear. So revenue refers to the amount which is received by the firm from the sale of the given quantity. Like there we have seen an example, 100 quantities are there of a commodity in the market. For example, suppose Mr. X is there who is running a factory which producing water bottles. What? Water bottles. Now he produced 1000 water bottles. What? 1000 water bottles. 1000. Okay. And after producing 1000 water bottles, or you can say after manufacturing 1000 water bottles, he is going to sell these water bottles at how much rupees? 10,000. How much rupees? 10,000. It means he sell out all 1000 water bottles at rupees how much? 10,000. So in economics language, we can say that this 10,000 is called the revenue of Mr. X. It's called the revenue of Mr. X. Now the things which we have to notice here, that in this 10,000, the cost of the manufacture will include. I said revenue. I didn't said profit. Remember, profit and revenue are different terms. So you can see here, revenue and profits are different terms. How? You can see here. What is profit? Profit is what? When we are subtracting our cost from the profit. यानी जब हम अपने profit जितना हमने revenue कमाया है, यानी after selling one pen, after selling this one, you can say one pen, I am getting 10 rupees. After selling this one pen, I am getting 10 rupees. But in order to make this pen, इस पेन को बनाने में पैसे कितने लगे? मेरी लागत कितनी आई? मेरी कॉस्ट कितनी आई? That is 4 rupees. So I have to subtract 4 rupees क्योंकि मेरे 4 rupees मेरे खर्च हुए किसमें? इसके रॉ मटेरियल्स खरीदने में. तो 10 rupees minus 4, that is 6 rupees. So 6 rupees का मुझे प्रॉफिट हुआ है. So you can see रेवेन्यू अलग है. रेवेन्यू क्या है? जो इसको बेचने पे जो मुझे पैसा मिला. After selling this pen, how much money I am getting? That is called my revenue. But profit is different. Profit is what? Revenue minus cost. Cost means lagat. Okay, so revenue is what? Profit plus cost. Revenue is what? Profit and cost both. That is called revenue. But profit is what? Revenue minus cost. So they are both different terms, revenue and profit. Now revenue we can estimate or we can calculate in 3 different ways. First, TR, that is total revenue. Then MR, that is marginal revenue. And then average revenue. In short, we can say AR. So now first we will talk about the first type, that is TR. In full form we can say total revenue. So what is total revenue? It means total of all revenue which we are getting after selling our all the quantities. So we can say total money receipts of a firm. How much money received in total from the sale of a given output. From the sale of a given output is called our total revenue. For examples, if 100 ice cream slabs, I am talking about slabs, okay? If 100 ice cream slabs are sold at the rate of rupees 50 per slab, it means one slab I am selling at 50 rupees. So how much 100 slabs I will sell? 100 multiplied by 50. Then only I will get TR. So TR is what? Output, yani units. How much quantity I am selling? 50. 50 quantity I am selling, no, sorry, 100 quantity I am selling, 100. And how much price of one slab? 50. So 50 into 100, 5,000. This is my total revenue. So what is the formula of TR? TR equals to price multiplied by quantity, or you can say units. How much units we are selling? We multiplying with its price, then we will get our TR. Like the cost of one pen, 10 rupees. Cost of 5 pens, 5 into 10, 50 rupees. So our TR is what? 50 rupees. So here, according to this example, it is 5,000. Now comes second type. This is marginal revenue. In short form, we can say MR. What it means? Marginal revenue means additional revenue. Additional means extra revenue which we are getting after selling one more unit. It means earlier I am selling 10 units. How much? 10 units. It means earlier I am selling 10 pens and I am getting how much rupees? 100 rupees. How much rupees I am getting? 100 rupees. Now I am selling 11 units. How much? 11 units. So I am getting how much rupees? I am getting 110 rupees. So see, how much extra unit I am selling from 10 to 11. It means 11 minus 10. It means one extra pen I am selling. So how much rupees I am getting now? From 100 rupees I am getting 110. So extra how much rupees I am getting? Rupees 10. So see, after selling one more unit or one extra unit, how much rupees I am getting? 10 extra rupees. So that this 10 extra rupees is called marginal revenue. Clear? Additional revenue which can be derived by selling one more unit of output. It refers to the change in total revenue with respect to the per unit of output sold. As you can see here, how we can find MR? MR formula is what? TRN minus TRN is minus 1. TRN means current unit. TRN minus 1 previous. As you can see here, this thing only I am writing here in table. Okay, quantity, and this is what? Units, price we can say, total price, TR. Okay, TR. Earlier I am selling 10 units, so I am getting 100 rupees. Now I am selling 11 units, so I am getting 110 rupees. This is my current unit. This is my current unit. This 11, and this 10 is what? Previous unit. So formula says that MR equals to TRN minus TRN minus 1. So current minus previous. What is current unit? 11 minus 10. So what will come? Previous unit. Previous unit is what? 10. So in the same way, how we will find MR? By subtracting the current unit of total revenue. Okay, the previous unit of total revenue from the current unit of total revenue. So see, this is called current unit, this is previous unit. So current 110 minus 100, how much it will come? 10. This 10 is what? My MR, or you can say marginal revenue. Now one more formula is there. What is that? Change in TR upon change in Q. How much change is coming in TR divided by change in Q? As you can see, from 100 it becomes 110. That is, we can say change in TR. Change in TR means how much change came? From 100 it becomes 110, no? So 110 minus 100, it change came how much? 10 rupees. How much change came in TR? 10 rupees. And how much change came in quantity? From 10 it becomes 11. So change in Q, it comes how much? 1. How much change came in quantity? 1. From 10 it becomes 11. So 11 minus 10, 1. So formula says change in TR upon change in Q. So change in TR. How much change came in TR? 10. How much change came in Q? 1. So 1 10 ja 10 only. So again see what came? 10 only. And from this formula also what answer came? 10 only. See here. 110 minus 100. So what come answer? 10. So from both the formula answer will remain same only. Either you can use this formula, either you can use this formula. Okay? Clear? So now we will talk about average revenue. What is average revenue? See, it refers to the revenue per unit of output sold. It is computed by dividing TR by the number of output means Q. AR equals to TR divided by Q. Average, how we are finding average? By dividing the total quantity by the unit sold. That is only what? Our average revenue. Suppose that total revenue is how much? 100. Okay, how much? 100. By selling how much units? 10. So 100 divided by 10, how much it will come? 10. So our 10 is what? Average revenue. It means the cost of one unit. So it is like almost like unitary method to finding the quantity of one. It is like that AR only. Or we can say that suppose that I am saying that after selling 100 pens, how much? 100 pens. After selling 100 pens, I am getting 1000 rupees. How much I am getting? 1000 rupees. I am getting 1000 rupees. Okay, so this is my TR. This is my quantity. Okay, now what we have to find out? We have to find out AR. So how we can find out the AR? By dividing TR by Q. So TR is 1000 divided by 100. So how much I will get? 100. It will get rupees 10. This is my average revenue. It means by selling one pen, how much rupees I am getting? 10. Okay, so we can say it is almost like equals to price only. This is the price of one pen, na? 10 by 10 multiplied by 100, we getting 1000. So we can say our AR is equals to price only. AR is equals to price only. And what is the formula? TR divided by Q. So it can be treated as same as the price. See, same thing they have written. Average revenue equals to price. Now why it can be treated like price? I will explain further. Let's see. So question is there, show that AR equals to price, that our average revenue is equals to what? Price. We have to show it. So how we can show it? Just we have learned that average revenue is equals to what? TR divided by Q. What we have learned? So we have learned AR equals to TR divided by Q. So we can keep it as equation first. Now see, we also know that TR equals to P into Q. This is our equation number second. Now from this both equation from first and second, we can say that this AR, as we have written, AR equals to what? TR divided by Q. And we are saying that TR is equals to what? P into Q. So in place of this TR, what we can write? We can write P into Q. So now see what will come? AR equals to in place of TR we are writing P into Q upon what? Q. Now from this Q we can cut this Q. P into Q upon Q, because P into Q come in place of TR, this formula. So from this Q we can cut this Q. So what left here? P. This is what? 1 so P 1 P only. So AR equals to what comes? P, and P stands for price. So we can say that average revenue is equals to what? Price only. So here we have proved also. Now let's talk about the relation between AR, TR and MR. AR average revenue, TR total revenue, and MR stands for marginal revenue. See, first we're talking about under perfect competition. Perfect competition is a market where that firm is what? Price taker. The firm is what? Price taker. So in this case, the price will remain always constant. Okay. About this topic, we will learn more in our class 12th. Okay. So right now just keep in mind that under perfect competition the price is always constant. Okay. So let's check the table here. Schedule. Quantity is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This much quantity we are selling. Price is what? Equals to AR. See, as I just we have explained that AR is equals to price. So I can write price, or either I can write AR, the same thing. What is the price of this pen? This pen price 10 rupees. So 10. It will remain constant. Now TR. What is TR? Total revenue. Just we have learned earlier that total revenue formula is what? AR multiply by Q. Or we have learned what? Price multiply by Q. In place of price I can write AR, because these both are same thing. So I have written AR into Q. Okay. So what is AR? This one. 10 1 ja 10. 10 2 ja 20. 10 3 ja 30. 10 4 ja 40. 10 5 ja 50. So this our TR came. Now the next comes MR. What comes? MR. What is the formula of MR? MR formula is what? TRN minus TRN minus 1. It means current unit minus previous unit. So 10 minus previous unit, nothing was there. So we have done 10. Then 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. 40 minus 30, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. So we can see that here the MR is also coming constant. Okay, like this AR. So in this way we have found our TR and MR on the basis of given price, because price equals to AR only. So in the previous table we have seen that AR, when AR was constant, so MR is also coming 10 and AR was also coming 10. They both were equal. So now let us understand this TR curve with the help of diagram. Just see. we have taken y-axis and x-axis. On x-axis we have taken our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the units, and here we have taken the revenue, total revenue. Okay, and now we are showing our TR through the help of this diagram. So that same value of TR we are taking, which we have taken in table. Okay, at first unit it was 10, then second unit it is 20, at third unit it is how much? 30, fourth unit is 40, 5 unit 60, 50, then 6th unit it will be 60. So by joining this point we are getting this TR curve, which is just like 45 degree angle. It is just like 45 degree angle, and our MR is how much? 10, and which is equals to AR only, that is 10 only. These both are constant, 10, 10, 10, 10, every time 10, 10 is coming, the pen, the quantity of the price of the pen. So our MR is starting, and TR, MR and AR both are starting from this 10 point, and it is going just like parallel line, which is parallel to x-axis. This is the our diagram is showing AR, MR and TR. So in the above diagram, in this given diagram, AR equals to MR, this one you can say, and both AR and MR are coinciding each other. It means same line we are using for both, because they both are 10, 10, 10 at every unit. Okay, and this is what just horizontal straight line which is parallel to x-axis. Which curve? MR and AR curve. It is like just horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis, and TR increasing upward, as you can see here, at a constant rate. Every time it is increasing, 10, 10, 10 increasing. First 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60. Every time 10 units are increasing. So TR curves slopes at 45 degree angle. This is our what? AR, TR and MR through the help of diagram.
At last, I just want to say be safe and God bless you all.